Now they go walk the road, yeah, people. But boy, that car we go take do Thanksgiving. I got driver. Cow. The guy said notice the container down the bend. He just opened the run out. I think just run out the container closer.
Now go save the money.
Nah, life of testimony. Nah. If you thank God finish, maybe arrange small C class for making the money. Okay, you're a life of testimony. God loves you, maybe your time yet. For you to be inside this car and you notice the container falling,
I see him.
And you came out.
After the driver said, this place is no good though, take a miss, it's a water.
Hey!
Open door.
And the container, now him be the driver. Yeah, it's a life of testimony. Now you know that God loves you. You see, I'm here for your front. See the way they find here. Serious one. I don't know, they maybe don't run now. Don't notice the container they fall. Just open door, come out. I think just come out, the container fall. Jesus, too much. God is too much. No, that side, this side. This accelerating the bend. You can't tell the driver, say this thing no balance. So the driver tell him waka. And just off the motor, open door, come out, make him waka go finish. Just stand here, the thing, just say, quick, wow, on top of your motor. On top of your motor.
I go carry this car. My brother. I know only one.
I go carry this car in time motor. We work with companies, not like that.
This is the life of testimony live from Eleme, where a container fell on top of a car and the driver managed to come out live and direct. God is still wonderful and our God still lives. No life lost. Glory be to God. I'm signing out. I'm Eleme from Abajo.